So recently I've been getting asked a question in Discord servers that I'm a part of, whenever I'm just sitting there and streaming, whether I'm doing something in Blender, modeling something, or just kind of gathering up information about a black rectangle that appears on my screen where I can put in images and have them as a reference. A while ago, I have found a software, this is quite a few years ago, but I have found a software that allowed me to do just that, and I'd like to introduce you to it. The software is called PureRef. You can come to pureref.com in order to find it, and it's a free software for the most part. You can also pay them a small dividends as a donation, but the software itself doesn't have any ads or anything like that. It's completely fully featured and ready to go for your use case. PureRef allows you to create reference boards very, very quickly. You can scroll here or through here and see the different things that it's actually capable of doing. But for the time being, PureRef can be gotten by hitting Get PureRef at the top of the page and selecting your installation, which is available for most major operating systems. You can select either a $10 donation or a $5 donation, I guess euro in this case, or you can enter a custom amount of 0 and have PureRef be completely free. I know quite a few people freak out because they get on this page and it has 10 pounds selected, but you can simply enter 0 and download PureRef and enjoy it for what it is without any ads and with full support from developers. Now, let me show you what PureRef is. PureRef is this rectangle when you first launch it. You can use right click in order to move it around your space. You can single click, right click in order to find all the shortcuts and save and load your stuff and whatnot. Just anywhere in a rectangle will do. And the mode that I use is always on top, which is super, super nice. You can press middle mouse click to move around the canvas inside the program and nothing else. You can select things and whatnot, but not very useful. So for now, let's put PureRef right here, and let's go to google.com and let's search up something. Harris Heller. I don't think that's how you spell his name, but we can find some images of Harris Heller, or also known as the Stream Doctor on YouTube, and see what we can do. Now, I really like this picture, for instance, so I can come find this picture and simply drag and drop it into my PureRef file. Have it be rescalable. I also quite like this picture. It's a pretty good picture. And same thing, I can drag and drop it, rescale, and I'm using middle mouse button again to actually move inside of it. Maybe I quite like this from his Stream Beats collection, and I want to do something similar to this at some point in time. I don't need to right click or save it or anything, that I can simply drag and drop, and there it goes. And we have another reference image, and you can build out massive, absolutely massive boards of references for your entire character all in one place. Just separate them into their own little patches. For example, if I wanted just the wolf and I wanted to put it in its own location, I keep right clicking for some reason. I can grab the wolf and put it in its own place, and then grab this and put it in its own place, and have two completely separate patches of what I want to be creating. So if I were to model Harris Heller's face and have a logo in the back, two different types of references, but you can have them all on one board, and then you can simply save it and have it be saved and easily accessible whenever you need to come back to the project, because if I was truly to model Harris Heller's face, I'm sure that project would take me a few days. But this is PureRef, and it's quite phenomenal and very powerful for anybody who's an artist, who does any kind of 3D work, who does any kind of digital art, or even maybe physical art with a laptop nearby. You can just have a simple reference sheet at your disposal, and you can drag and drop references into it and have it all be made up and ready to go in no time. I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this free piece of software, and I'll see you next time.